Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today's topic is another product review. Do keep in mind, I don't get any kind of payment or subsidies from these product companies. It's just my years of experience and using them in my vehicles, and that's where I give my reviews. And if I am wrong by any means, please leave it at the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, what I do over here is I make product reviews related to automotive, especially cars, and I also make a lot of buying videos. I have an S55 AMG project that I'm working on. It's on the road, but it's always going to be a project. I have a 300ZX twin turbo, and currently working on a 94 MR2. So,
hey everybody, I will be giving away the Car Addiction window stickers to one lucky subscriber every month, so please hit the subscribe button right away.
Is CRC's guaranteed to pass. So it is basically a product that helps you pass emissions, supposedly. Here's why. On a new modern vehicle, the emission is controlled by the computer system. So it has the injectors, the air-fuel ratio sensor, and then lower O2 sensor, and then the first upstream CAD and a lower stream CAD. There's so many things to control the emission, and if your check engine light is on, it's probably due to a failure in O2 sensor or a air-fuel ratio sensor, or your catalytic converter really needs a new catalytic converter. Adding this product to your oil and hoping that the light will go off didn't work for me and a couple of guys that I know. I don't think it's going to work. But what's going to work is if you have an older vehicle which is pre-OBD2 and OBD1 vehicle, so 1995 and above, where they have an older emission control system. Yes, you know what? If you put 91 octane, even though this system says all you have to do is put regular gas and add this and it will pass, sure, it will. But if you put 91 octane, a tank of 91 octane, and empty out this bottle, it passes. It really does. It helps to burn clear and reduce some of the contaminants and the pollutants in the tailpipe. The reason it does not work with the newer emission control system, because the newer emission control system is really computerized. It's not a tailgate system, or you stick a prong through your tailgate. It literally runs off your car's computer. So this will not work. If you're failing an emission because your catalytic converter is below efficiency, buddy, you gotta just kind of fork up for, and you can't. That's just how it's going to be. Do keep in mind, I'm not against CRC product. I actually love CRC product, and there will be a couple of other videos where I'm going to rave about the CRC product, but that doesn't mean that every company will have a banging product every single time. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any comment, please leave it in the comment section. If you disagree with what I said, leave it in the comment section, because I would love to learn. And please hit the like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more awesome content.